Phantom Games.
Are you ready, Phantom Games subscribers? I can't hear you. Oh! From many days of just waiting and waiting
6 months later,
and waiting and waiting,
several days later,
waiting
4 to 6 weeks later,
and waiting for it to come.
the next day.
It has finally been released to the public, everyone. I'm ready!
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Hello everyone, Phantom Games here, and look, I got my BFF edition, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. If I can figure this out.
2 hours later.
There we go. I'm gonna put that up there. Now we're on to the box. Alright, here we go. Here it is, guys. Now, I don't exactly know what this could be, but I really don't know. But it's pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and keep that. And of course, the game itself, if you guys can see that well. Go ahead and move my mouse out of the way. Place the game on my bed. And now we're getting to the good stuff. Wait. Where's my... Where's those? Where's that? Wait a minute. I'm missing something. I think. Am I? Where's my... That's odd. Mine didn't come with the costume pack thing. That's strange. Or is it in this? Not in this. But anyways, let's check out these. Sorry about that. But anyway. Let's go ahead and get these little things open. That's odd. I wonder why mine didn't have the costume pack little card thing. Oh well. Look. There's SpongeBob riding on Mystery. Here, hang on, guys. Put that one right here. Now we got the Flying Dutchman. I really like this one. I think this is my favorite so far. So it's pretty cool. Next is SpongeBob looking like Gary. Well, when he got turned into a snail from I Was a Teenage Gary.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Pretty cool. I really like that one. Now, finally, we got Caveman SpongeBob, as in the prehistoric time, which is SB129. This little guy, this one right here.
What are you simpletons doing?
Really, really cool. I like that one too. Now for the little bouncy ball things. Oops. Okay, these little bouncy balls. Here's SpongeBob as like a cowboy. And he is bouncy. Whoops. My bad. Come back here. There we go. Let's not do that again. But, got that one. Of course, there's also the Night SpongeBob. Pretty cool. I like that one too. Pirate SpongeBob. We got not too bad, not too shabby actually. A cute little one too. And then SpongeBob with the karate gear. Looks pretty cool, honestly. I really like this one. He's very cool. And then we have It's the best friends forever. Best friends forever.
It's the best friends forever. Best friends forever.
Nicholas. You're getting very sleepy. I'm kidding. But, bro, this is actually pretty good gold. And yes, it does open up too. But let's take a look. This one's really cool. As you guys can see that. Whoops. There we go. Pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and I guess I can't wear it. Let's go ahead and put that right there. And now this. the balloon Patrick. Bro, this thing's pretty big. It's not that big. I thought it would be bigger. Anyway, let's go ahead and blow this up.
6 hours later.
There he is. It looks pretty cool, doesn't he? I like this. This is cool. No, this is Patrick. Not bad. Not bad at all. I really like it. Now, before we get to this, I'm going to look at this for a second. The game. Because mine was kind of missing the costume pack. So I wonder if it's inside the game. I don't know. Let me look. Come on. There we go. Now, this is pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, where's the... Yeah, mine didn't come with the costume pack thing. That's strange. Maybe it's in the bottom of the box or something. I hope so. And this is the little standee the little ball things go on. Cool little art. No freaking way. What? Guys, I don't know if you could. I don't know if you can see this, but look. Look. That's Doodle Bob. That's Doodle Bob. Right there. What the heck is he doing on here? That's freaking cool. That's cool. That's pretty funny. Because Doodle Bob is my favorite character in SpongeBob. That's cool. And now, for the big thing. If I can get him out. Whoops. Ta-da! The victory statue. So let's go ahead and open this up. Can't seem to get it. Ah! There it goes. Here we go. Awesome. There he is again, Doodle Bob. I see him. Okay, how am I gonna get you out of here? Okay. Is tape on this too? Are you kidding me? Well, makes sense, but
1 minute 37 seconds later.
here is the statue. This is the reason why I got this thing in the first place. Whoa, careful. Here he is. Look. This is so cool. I love this. This is so cool. Props on. This is awesome. Bro, this is so good. Look at this, you guys. Look. Little Patrick up here. This is so freaking cool. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show my mom.
1 hour later.
This is awesome. I love this. This is so cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my dresser.
Eventually.
Well, you guys, all that stuff is pretty amazing. But first, before I go, I'll show you what I've done. I'm glad I got it. I'm really, really glad. So, this is Phantom Games, and I'll see y'all next time. So I'm glad you all got to see me unbox my Cosmic Shake BFF edition. Bye!